What brings you to InfoComm Asia? Some came for insights. Some for connections. Some for the technology. No matter your reason, InfoComm Asia brings the community together. One emoji, one connection, one insight at a time.
I am the connector.
I would definitely put myself in knowledge seeker.
I'm the connector. That's me.
สุดยอด AI ครับ
Excellent
จึงหมัด
for expert and connect to each other and also seeking for new knowledge.
Which emoji are you?